All right, so we're going to replace these little guys. They're lift supports, little gas lift supports. You can see in this window that it doesn't hold up anymore. So both of these have passed their prime. You can still hear a little hiss out of one, but they're not gonna hold up. So that means this is gonna land on someone's head. So we've got two little clips here. You just need a small flat screwdriver, get it behind her and just twist, and it pulls back. So what it does is it clamps in on the other side of the knob here on the shaft. So when you pull that back, it slides it to either side and allows it to come off. We'll do the bottom one now. Same thing, pull those out. I'm trying to hold the window with my head here. It's not ideal. So I'll just do this one a little differently. So you can see how when it's in, they close. When you pull them back, they separate. So if you don't have it'd be nice to have like a broom handle or something here to hold this up, but today we're just resting it on my head. And that's okay, aside from the fact that it's a bit warm. So we picked up this universal support. You'll see these, we'll put a link for them in the comments if you want to pick them up. We've got our Amazon affiliate links, so you can grab these as well as all the tools. So they come with their own replacement rod here, but we're not going to replace today because the ones on the truck seem fine. I'm just going to pull these out. Once it's out, this disappears. Get the other one off. And that one comes off. So the beauty of the new ones is they should push out of the way. So when you push, you'll see the spring moves out of the way and snaps around. It just snaps on and then it locks on. You do that on both and you are done. And surprisingly, one is really all you need to replace. Just like that. But we're gonna replace this one anyways because we don't want all the torque on the one side. So it becomes a bit easier to get off because we don't have to hold the window with our head. I think I grabbed the worst screwdriver out of the box, but there's that one out. Oops, I stabbed myself here. Yeah, look at this poor screwdriver. That thing's been ground down a few times. So it's funny because I always say proper tool makes the job easier, and here I am with not the proper tool. There we got that one out. Snap that one back in, and this goes back in too. It's on, and this is just a little bit under pressure, and we're good. You can see this one's dead completely. Won't even hold itself. So that's it, tons of pressure now for it, and that should work for quite a few years. So these things, they get worn and they're a pain in the butt, but again, check out our links in our comments and the video description, and you'll see where to pick these up. It's a very easy, quick repair to make things work properly for you, and that's it.